Hey, it's Eric at Tri-State Public Safety, and we're going to do a little comparison today, a little friendly comparison, if you will. So the beacon on the top is the SoundOff nRoads beacon, single color, just solo, amber. And then the beacon closest to you is the Whelen L32 beacon. Been out for a long time, great beacon. But we're going to kind of do a little comparison, put them head to head. In essence, a full disclosure, the L32 does have a colored dome, and the nRoads beacon does not. It just has a clear dome. So other than that, the only other difference is the L32 is a permanent mount, and the nRoads beacon is a magnet mount, SIG plug. Really doesn't matter. Really doesn't matter at all. But just want to get you guys a little comparison video so you can maybe see the difference on video. I will tell you there is a difference. If you haven't seen it already, you'll see it coming up here shortly. But they're in person, there's quite a difference between the two. So, and then of course, when you're talking dual color and even tricolor technology, well then the nRoads beacon just kind of separates itself from the rest of the pack. But I thought this was interesting, and so take a look at the rest of the video here, and if you guys have any questions, definitely give us a call, 513-422-5775, or shoot us an email, and we'll be happy to answer your questions or take your orders. Thanks for watching.